Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we just got Powder Beauty Drop to unbox. This is £13.50 a month. So yeah, this is the March box, I think it is. Sure of it. Right, so we're just going to unbox this like this. There we go, and oh, by the way, it does come in a nice box. This makes a really good makeup box for your brushes and everything else like that. It's really good. Right, so here we go. So we're just going to open this up like this. And you'll see the contents of it. Oh, we've got some wormies. Right, oh, this feels really heavy. But that has got me this. What it says on it? It says a sample, not for resale. Oh, right. So, okay, so it's a Hydro Boost cleanser, but it's from Neutrogena. Oh, I do love Neutrogena stuff, so I'm looking forward to using that. So, boosts hydration, leaves skin refreshingly clean, and it's dermatologically tested. So it could be good. It's Neutrogena. We know the hydration is the foundation of healthy looking skin. So it says directions for use: wet face, apply to hands, add water and work into a lather, massage face gently, rinse. Oh, right, okay, so we'll have to give that a try. Right, I'm just going to give it a little try, see what it's actually like. So open. To open it, you press it down. Oh, these is like really difficult. No, haven't got it. Right, so I'm just actually gonna open it this way. Oh, it has a nice smell. It does have a nice scent, and I'm just gonna test it. See, it just lathers up really quickly. I do like that. It's a really nice scent, so I'm looking forward to using that. Right, okay, so then the next item, what we get is, what is it? Oh, it's a Be Good cream cleanser. And you actually got the little cloth with it as well. So there we go. And right, so let's have a little look at this. So this is the Rich and Creamy 2-in-1 cleanser, sweeps away makeup. Oh yeah, wow, I'm interested in this. The grime without drying out your skin. Use your muslin cloth to leave skin. So I am thinking that this is going to be like the Lizelle face cleaner. I love the Lizelle cleaner, I do. So it's like, I think it's like the Lizelle hot cloth cleanser. I already have that. It really is good. So I'm thinking that this is going to be exactly the same. Use with a muslin cloth to leave your skin be beautiful, clean, soft. Bursting with super moisturising British wildflower honey. Oh, that sounds really nice. And this is cruelty free, and it just is really a nice product that I'm going to really want to use. Does it have a nice... Oh, it has a nice scent of honey, and my lipstick has just come off. It's a slight scent of lavender as well. Oh, it smells nice. Really, I'm looking forward to that tonight. Get to use that with the cloth is really good. And so then the next item, what we got is, hopefully it's a makeup item. Could do with a makeup. Oh, I've got some of these. These will be going in my giveaway. I don't use them, so yeah, when I hit 300 subscribers, I've got a load of beauty products that's going to be going in my giveaway. If you want to do that, please comment down below and I will put you in the giveaway. Tell me that you want to be in it You're going to be in it to win it. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is jhodgson36. Please follow me. Okay, so then in this we have a makeup item. It is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Colour. Wow. So I'm so pleased I got like a makeup item because I really do want one of them. It's lipstick. You see that colour? That's a really nice colour. I do like that colour. So right, so I'm just going to see if I can take this off and try that one on. I'm not sure if this is going to come off though because it's the Jelly Pom Pom. And it doesn't come off very easily. Well, it does, but onto like drinks cans and stuff like that. I'm not try this one. I think it's not a good colour because of the one we have done. It's really nice. It is actually a liqueur. I'm guessing like an alcohol liqueur that I used to drink, which is Amarillo. That's it. Amarula, not Amarillo, Amarula. Does anybody else like that drink? I used to love it. Now and again. I'm not really an alcoholic. I don't really drink much alcohol, but I like that now and again. A nice glass of that. Really nice. It comes from South Africa, I think it does. And so this is the Nux. What is it? Nux Scented Shower Gel. There we go. You see it? Right, so this, wow, so this is for all skin types, and is it cruelty free? No, it's got one of them horrible things on it. I tell you what, this will go in my giveaway as well, actually. And then the last item, oh, I love these. I get these from Marks and Spencer's. This is the Roger Gallat. Never heard of this one though. This is a body lotion, replenishing body lotion, and it's nourishing and relaxing, and it's corpse. Oh, has a nice scent. Right, so yeah, so that is the end of the powder beauty box. Oh no, it's not. We've got one more item. We have got, oh, we've got a face mask. Yes, I could do with this. This is some face mask overdose. It's a moisturising booster mask. So this is the 3D Release Hyaluronic Acid Mask Hydro Intensive Acid Hyaluronic 3D Liberation Lante. Oh, was a mouthful. Look at all of those words. You see my camera probably because it's too shiny. Wow. Also, it is a face mask because you see there, like it is a face mask. So I'm looking forward to using that. Oh wow. Please I got a face mask because I've got face mask. And please I got a face mask because my skin is really, really dry. It's like because we always have to be indoors because it's like bad weather out there. It's like really cold, so the heating's on all the time. It's just drying my skin out like I don't know what. Right, so that is the end of this box. Totally the end. Right, so if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.